You're looking for a hand dryer? Simply place it on 72 dB level that heats up within a second. Hang it on the wall, put it in the kitchen by the bathroom. What we're going to do is show you what the hand dryer is about. Yeah, Mike, hand dryer. As we're unboxing to show you how nicely they are packaged and what you get inside, protected by foam and plastic. As we lift and pull out of the plastic, we have an instruction guide with the anchors and screws. Please remember when standing, it is top heavy. The unit has its dryer in the top, a tray to collect the water on the bottom, LED lights, and in the back your 110-volt cable and your hanging bracket area. When hanging up, please remove the filter door in order to get to the screw by taking off and removing the bolt and taking the plate out to hang. With the unit on the side, we have a safety clip, a handle to pull out. By pulling the safety clip and the handle out to empty the water tray. Simply sliding in, it's matching up and placing back in. We have two switches. This is the cold and hot air switch, and this is the on switch that lights up, and the switch as well, blue light and red light. This is the airflow area, and this is the sensor. To run the unit is to put your hand under and pull. For the first time, you may allow the electronic air blower to air out, as the unit has a heat button to turn on. It heats up within a second and a half. We'll do our best to show you that we're about 70 plus degrees. You can see the blue here. And it runs about 87 degrees. Smart airflow at 72 dB level, a low quiet machine, fully automatic. As soon as your hand goes under, within a second's time, it heats up. Or you could have cold air. Easy to hang or place on a backboard like so, with a nice deep tray and water collection area. Comes in one color, silver. We have a dB level. We got about, 15 dB or so in the room, and we're going to take a measurement. And we're about 73, 71 dB level. The mic. Power lights always stays on. You need to wash your hands, clean up, and dry your hands off. Without grabbing towels, simply place your hand under and dry. The mic 1300 watt hand dryer. The power switch can be turned off for blowing hot air. It has a check light. Simply place your hand under. The green check light tells you it's working. We're blowing cold air right now. It has a drainage tray that collects the water with a window, as you can see. The LED switch was on to show you earlier. If you want to shut the power off, just shut down when not in use. It could be hung on a wall. We are demonstrating in the kitchen and the bathroom for your needs. The mic hand dryer. Plug into an outlet. Place the bracket and level. Wherever an outlet is at, if recessed into the wall, we could flush mount. If not, all the way towards the side end, you're able to get on and lock down. We're going to be hanging up our unit right about here and placing on a level and securing down with screws. We're going to be placing on and over. We're going to remove the tray. We're going to put in the screw. When finished and needs to clean, a washable filter. Simply place back in, plug in to an outlet. The air mic is ready for use. Turn on the switches. One for power. This is for heat, which is in the off stage to dry your hands. To dry your hands. Turn on for heat by pressing forward. We have red LED markers and a red LED marker and light for power. When changing out the water tray in the bottom, there's a clip and simply place back in by pulling down the clip and sliding on and locking in. There are no heating elements to the unit. My hand is totally wet. And you can see it drying. I am dry, just like that. AMI 1300 watt hand dryer. Within 10 to 15 seconds, your hands are dry. You can hang it by the bathroom, restroom, kitchen, parties, fairs, and more, in the RV, camper, even on the boat where you need to dry your hands. Then, using a paper towel or a washcloth that you throw into the laundry machine, and this will dry your hands in an unlimited amount of times. Cold air, hot air, has an on and off switch so you can turn it off when not needed. It is a unit that heats up within 1.5 seconds. It is a machine for your drying needs. Put it where the hose is at. It's not an outdoor unit, it's an indoor unit, but you can place it outdoors with AC when weather permitting. I hope you enjoy your AMIC hand dryer, and thank you for viewing.